In this video, I'll show you how to change the weapon field of view in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Simply launch the game and then you should get to the Call of Duty homepage. And then from here, select Call of Duty Black Ops 7. And then press the menu button on your controller and navigate to the settings wheel icon by using the R1 or the L1 button. Then scroll down and select graphics. Now within the graphics settings, use the R1 and the L1 button again and navigate to the view option. And then scroll down and find the weapon field of view. So select that and you should see three options. There's the default, there's the wide and the narrow. So if you want the weapon to look bigger, you can simply select narrow. And if you want your weapon to look smaller, you can simply select wide, or you can simply choose default and the weapon will look as intended. So choose the option that you prefer. And once done, exit the settings and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.